Hey everyone, this is Arun and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing very well. So today in this video, I'm discussing about a case problem which is Wagner Fabricating Company. Here we need to provide this question in a Word document where we need to calculate some of the parts which has been described in this question. So here, manager at Wagner Fabricating Company are reviewing the economic feasibility of manufacturing a part that the company currently purchases from a supplier. Forecasted currently annual demand for that part is 3,200 units and Wagner operates 258 days per year. So in this case problem, they have mentioned different constraints and they have provided different values here, and we need to compute and calculate each of the values. And this question is further divided into 5 parts. So the first part is we need to develop a report for the management of Wagner Fabricating that will address the question for whether the company should continue to purchase the part from the supplier or begin to produce the part itself. So here we have these questions that has been provided in the question, and we need to solve each question using Excel setup using formulas and functions. So I already did that, and I already created a managerial report. This one is our managerial report. So I created for one of my candidate who wants this report, and I created in a well sort of formatting and plus calculations. So this is the report, and this is the data analysis case study which I created, and then this one is all our calculations. And if you can see here, let me show you how much marks did they get. So if you can see here, they score 40 out of 40 in this records. That is 100% of the marks. It was carried on 4th of December 2025. And fortunately, all went well. And we submitted this report. So if you need this solution, you can just reach me out. I can be helpful in this question for you. And maybe I can be best helpful for you in providing maximum marks, whatever the marks you will carry for this one. So I didn't guarantee, but yeah, I hopefully we will get the maximum marks because my calculations are topmost, and I created this one using Excel formulas and calculations, and they all went well. So I will be sharing my WhatsApp number and my email address in the description part of this video, and hopefully we will be working together on this question. Maybe if your figures are different, then we can work together, or maybe if you need just the solution file or the Word file that has been created here, you can reach me out for this as well. So I hope you like this video, and if you need any assistance or help regarding examination, you can definitely reach me out. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like this video and have a great day. We'll talk soon. Thank you. Bye.